Yo, what's up, fellas? We're back here at the garage. Got you with another episode here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance. Getting it in. We're doing the suspension parts on a Coyote swap. And I got the wrong steering shaft. I ordered the wrong one. So let's get right to it. So I'm putting the bump steer kit on. We got the swaybar end links on. We got the new steering rack boot. It's the bump steer kit right here. And I went with the heavy duty through bolts. So right now, I'm drilling out the spindles for the bump steer kit because I didn't want to go with the tapered bolts. I went with the heavy duty ones. And just a drill bit, self-centering drill bit. I used it on one of my older cars. This side's drilled out. This other side I haven't drilled out yet. So that's not drilled. And this one is. So now we'll be able to stick this bolt all the way up through there. Set the bump steer a little bit. That's the underneath. Got the new steering rack boots on there, looking pretty good. So this is the old stuff we took off. You see one side had a little rip in it. These are the old outer tie rod ends. And now I have adjustable ones. So the problem I ran into thinking I had a foxbody steering rack, I ordered the foxbody steering shaft from motorsports. Now you see how it has the spline and that's where you'll hook it up on the steering rack. Well, my steering rack doesn't have them splines. And thinking it's a foxbody, it came with the foxbody steering rack when I got it. Well, they changed it. That was on it is I guess a 94 to 04 steering rack. And mine hooks up a different way. So right now I just got the steering shaft that was on it barely hooked up because it's not long enough just to work for right now. So that's what's going on. Got parts in, got the wrong parts, putting parts on. Getting rid of the old parts. So there you have it. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Keep tuning in. Hopefully we get that steering shaft ordered here soon so we can get this thing on the ground and move it around. Till then, peace.